Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create video collages or picture collages on CapCut PC. For the first one, I'm gonna do like a 3 one. So I'm just gonna get this one and then, oops. Bring this to the left and then I'll add like another one here. Bring that to the right. And that's our first collage. It's like a 3 video, 3 picture one. And for this one, you'll need 4 videos, 4 pictures. You're going to scale it all to around 50%, and you're just going to bring that up here, and then this one again, scale it to 50%. Bring this to the right. Again, 50%. Bring that to this part, sorry. And then for the frame, you're just going to go to background here, add like a white stock video on top. If it's not long enough, just freeze frame it. Go to mask and select the mirror one, and you're just going to create this like divider. I'm just going to make it as thin as possible. Copy and paste that and just rotate it this way. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.